Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna be showing you how I tape my hockey stick. In this video I'm gonna be taping my knob. So yeah, I use I think bright yellow Renfrew tape. So first I start like people do it. They start here. Then I go around like 5 times. So here, let me do it. That was 3, 4, 5. Now I go down. Of the knob, like this. And I stop, you see where it says like 61 flux? I stop like right there, maybe. Or in the middle between the 53, or it says 53 flux and 61 flux. I'll stop maybe like here. Then yeah, so I'll usually cut it off, but I'll do it after this video because you don't really have to see me cutting it off. But yeah, that's how I tape my stick knob. It doesn't really feel like anything, but this is what I always do pretty much. I don't do like a little knob at the top. So yeah, this is how I tape my knob. I hope you enjoyed. So yeah, see you guys in the next video.